لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله.
That Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never deny you guidance if you seek it. So it's a verse of the 25th juz of the Qur'an in Surah Shura, in which Allah says, Allahu yajtabi ilayhi man yasha wa yahdi ilayhi man yunib. One speaks about the prerogative of Allah and the other speaks about the justice of Allah. The prerogative of Allah is, I can select whomsoever I wish. I want to make someone a prophet, I will make him a prophet. I want to make someone, bless him with some favor. That's my choice. That's my choice. That's my choice. So one is the prerogative of Allah. He can guide, He can favor, He does what He wants. But the justice of Allah is, وَيَهْدِي إِلَيْهِ مَن يُنِيبُ, that He will guide whomsoever turns to Him. So if you call out to Him, He will answer, He will respond, He will grant it to you. And the scholars say that every dua you make could be answered in different ways. Could be answered in the sense that Allah diverts a calamity, or Allah answers your request, or Allah stores it for you in akhirah. But there's one dua that if you ask Allah, it has to be answered, and it will be answered, and if anybody asks, it will be given to him, and it will be answered in this world, guaranteed. And what is it? That is the honest, earnest, genuine, sincere call, request, prayer, supplication for guidance. If you asked Allah, Allah sincerely, honestly, I want guidance. Read the tale and the narrative of Salman radiallahu anhu, where to where, and ultimately he becomes a great companion of the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us amongst those fortunate souls who are guided by His guidance.
Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar.